What's up, you guys? I am excited about this mail that I got. I had a company contact me called Supr, and it's a coffee company. Y'all know I love me some coffee. I love me some iced coffee, and so I was more than excited to get this package and try it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So excited to try this, you guys. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. This is all of the things that the coffee does. Help you be alert, gives you energy, keeps you calm, focused. So that's awesome. Here's the inside. It's like I got a cute little card. Got a card with a discount code for you guys on it. Ooh, look at all the goodies. Oh my God, I was not expecting all of this. I was expecting like a box of the coffee. Oh, these are stickers. We can be heroes. You may say I'm a dreamer.
No one's gonna stop me now.
That's so cool. And then what's this? Oh, this is the Supr, their brand, and it's a magnet. Yay. Oh my gosh, a mug. Oh my gosh. It says, don't tell me to relax. And Supr on the back. How fun is this? Awesome. And I had just bought me a little mug, brand new, that I was gonna use for the coffee. So awesome. Definitely gonna use this. And it's glass and see-through. I love that. That is so super cute. Right, so these are the coffees. I'm so excited to try these. So yes, it's called Supr. They are instant coffees. This one is infused. It has hemp extract. You get 10 packets in each box. Let's see, this one is just a regular instant coffee. It says instant focus and energy. Tells you all the good things about it here. Dairy free, gluten free, soy free, vegan. Okay. So let's see, one packet is 8 fluid ounces. You pour the packet into a cup, add hot or cold water, add sweetener and milk as per preference. That's awesome, because I was wondering if I could turn this into my iced coffee, then girl, I'm set to go. Okay. So what I love is that it comes in these little boxes, so you can keep it open on your kitchen table in the morning. Just grab you a packet out and go. This is awesome. So this is what the packs look like. It has the coffee in there. And it tells you directions on the pack as well. Let's open the red one. Here's the red one. This is the one that has the hemp extract in it. This is the one that I'm most excited to try, because I've never tried a instant coffee with a hemp extract in it. So I think this is going to be the first one that I make. So yeah, I love the little boxes. You can just boop boop, get your little coffee out, pour it in your mug and go. So I think I want to go ahead and try to make me a cup of it, because I cannot wait to taste it. And I can use the coffee right about now. Okay, so let me heat up some water and I will be right back. All right, got my hot water. Now I am going to get my Supr instant coffee plus hemp extract. And when you pour it in the water, it instantly dissolves, and that's what I love about it. I probably should have put the coffee in first and then poured the water on top, but it worked just fine. So I'm using my coffee frother to stir it. No, it does not always make foam on the top. It makes for a perfect stirrer though. And I got it on Amazon for under 10 bucks. So next I'm gonna put a little bit of sugar in it, some organic sugar, because I love to have sugar and cream in my coffee. I have to add that in. I don't do straight black coffee. So I'm gonna stir it up a little bit again, and I can't wait to taste it, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the coffee tastes amazing. You guys can see I've drunk almost all of it. So it's actually super. It tastes really, really good. So like I said, the one I did was the instant coffee plus hemp extract. I'm gonna have me another cup. I'm gonna try this one. But yes, it tastes really, really good. I am very, very pleased with it. And I love the mug. So yes, I have a coupon code for you guys to use if you guys would like to go to their site and order. Let me show you guys. I know it's kind of small. Is it on this? No. But it is getsupr.com. You guys can go on their site and go order you guys some of this coffee. It's absolutely delicious. Use coupon code launch15 to get 15% off, y'all. You'll get 15% off of your order if you use launch15 for your coupon code. I'm gonna go finish enjoying my coffee in my lovely mug. Super cute. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Cheers.